Hi, this is Catherine. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lip balm key fobs or keychains. They're really easy to make and they're really great to have. You can put them onto your purse or your gym bag or your luggage, and then this way you don't have to dig through your purse. And they also make really fun gifts. You can use them as stocking stuffers or just to put into gift bags. And they're really easy to make. So we'll just get started. So the first step is to cut out your pattern. You can find the template in my Etsy shop. And then you can either cut them out by hand, or after you've downloaded them, you can send them to your design software to cut them with your machine. So I recommend that you use a non-fraying fabric. And also, so if you are enjoying these tutorials that I've been posting so far, make sure to subscribe. It really helps my channel and it lets me know what you're interested in. And leave a comment below on what you'd like to see in the future. So it's good to choose a non-fraying fabric like neoprene, or this is glitter vinyl. This is craft foam. So this is great if you're just making a project for yourself or with your kids. And so then after you've cut out the pattern, then it's really easy. You just put a key ring through here and then you line it up and you sew along the edge. I recommend using a large stitch, like a 3.5 size. And here you can see you want to keep it around 2 millimeters away from the edge. Maybe it'll be easier to see here. And if your fabric has a bit of stretch to it, then you might prefer that. And so when you download the template, and then basically that's it. You're ready to go after. So as you can see, I'm just going to remove the lip balm. It's just a little slippery. So the finished size is 4 inches by around 2.25 inches, and in centimeters that's around 5.5 centimeters by around 10.5 centimeters. So the files are available in SVG, DXF, PNG, and AI, so Illustrator. And the SVG and DXF files are compatible with the Cricut software as well as the Silhouette software. And so just make sure you're using the right needle and the right settings for whatever material you're using. It depends on what fabric you're using, so you have to look that up before you get started. And also, if you want to see how it'll look first, a good tip is just to print it off on paper and cut it out. And then this will give you an idea of if you want to make it change the dimensions in case your lip balm is a different size, and then you can scale it up or scale it down depending on what you're using it for. So thanks for watching if you've gotten this far, and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.